So today I'm going to show you how to set any song as a ringtone on your Galaxy A27. So you can actually use any sound or song as a ringtone as long as it's downloaded onto your phone. Now, someone could have sent it to you via WhatsApp. It could be your own recording. Maybe you sang a song, or maybe you found it somewhere on the internet and downloaded it. I'm not going to show you where to get your music file, but once you have it in the My Files folder, maybe in the Downloads folder or in your WhatsApp folder, wherever it is, the most important thing is to have that file as an MP3 file on your phone. Okay. Now, once you do that, now you can go into My Files app, and inside My Files app, you want to go into internal storage. And then as you can see in the internal storage, you can only see a few folders. Now you want to go to the essentials little drop down arrow, tap on that and then select all, and I should be able to see all the folders in your phone. Once you do that, now you can go back and then go to your downloads folder, could be also in the internal storage. So download and find your music file, long press on it, select copy, and from the where you need to copy, go back one step, select internal storage, and inside internal storage you should now see a folder called ringtones. You tap on that and then select copy here. Now once that file is copied into the ringtones folder, you can now go to the settings of your phone, go back to the main settings page, and then under settings go to sounds and vibration, and then go to ringtone. Now in the list of ringtones, if you scroll up under custom, you should see your music file, and you can select it and use that as your ringtone. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Good luck.